How to make Marry Me chicken. It's a very easy recipe and requires less than 30 minutes of your time. So you can still make it even if a dinner date isn't properly planned in advance as long as you have all of the ingredients. What you'll need. 1. Chicken breast, sliced into cutlets. You literally just slice them in half to make them thinner. If you use whole chicken breasts, you'll need to finish this off in the oven to make sure that they're cooked through. But I like cutlets better in this recipe. 2. Flour, salt, and pepper. You will dredge the chicken in flour for that lovely golden and crispy crust. 3. Olive oil and butter. To brown the chicken I use olive oil and butter for flavor. You can even use the sun-dried tomato oil for extra flavor. That's free flavor there. 4. Garlic, because it makes everything taste better. 5. Chicken or vegetable stock. I recommend using chicken stock, but if all you have available is vegetable stock then that works perfectly fine. 6. Heavy cream and Parmesan cheese, for a super creamy and flavorful sauce. Do not use single or light cream as it won't thicken the sauce very well. 7. Chili flakes, dried oregano, and thyme, for extra flavor. 8. Sun-dried tomatoes. What makes this dish so special? 9. Fresh basil leaves, for garnish. The directions. 1. Dredge the chicken in seasoned flour and shake off any excess flour. Transfer to a plate, but do not stack the chicken as they will stick to each other. 2. In a heavy-bottomed pan on medium heat, heat the oil and melt the butter. 3. Brown the chicken on both sides until it's golden brown. Transfer onto a warm plate, cover, and set aside. 4. Sauté the garlic for a minute or until it's fragrant. Add the chicken stock and deglaze the pan, scraping any bits stuck to the bottom of the pan with a wooden spoon. Add the heavy cream and the Parmesan cheese to the skillet. Allow the sauce to simmer for a couple of minutes, then season with chili flakes and oregano. 5. Season with salt and pepper to your taste. Add the sun-dried tomatoes, then put the chicken back in the sauce, and let the sauce simmer and thicken for a few more minutes. 6. Marry Me chicken is now ready. Just garnish with chopped fresh basil leaves and serve warm over pasta or rice. Top tips. 1. Chicken cutlets/steaks are available in most supermarkets, but you can slice a chicken breast in half and get the same result. 2. When sautéing the garlic, add a little bit of sun-dried tomatoes oil for more flavor. 3. Do not use single/light cream as that won't thicken the sauce enough. 4. I recommend buying a block of Parmesan cheese and grating it yourself. I found that store-bought Parmesan cheese doesn't have much flavor and doesn't dissolve well in sauces. Storing tips. Store the leftovers in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Reheat in the microwave or in the oven. You will need to add a splash of water to thin out the sauce as it thickens in the fridge.